Hello students, today we will be discussing another set paper from Kerala. ठीक है, तो ये recently held केरला का set paper है English literature का. So we will be discussing this one also. ठीक है, since your exams अभी आ रहा है तो MCQs जितना हो सके हम लोग solve करते जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो let's begin. Time waste ना करते हुए let's begin. The novel A Thousand Acres by Jane Simile is a model of William Shakespeare's King Lear. The important नहीं, ठीक है. Who is the famous writer in India with celebrated plays Melanie Shape? The Truth About Me is an unblinkably courageous moving autobiography of Hijra. ठीक है, मैं बताते जाऊँगा. ठीक है, which one is important for you from Slate point of view. Another we have You Are a Strange Woman and What an Imperious Woman You Are. It's Mercy. Another one we have Who among the following writers is known for his unforgettable sense of humor? It's P.H. Wodehouse. Number 6, very important one. ठीक है, make sure you know. But a human being, she cannot simply exist. She is a hurricane, even thought, bending and crossing in coherence inside her. Nothing will let her be, not for a moment. Every emotion, every thought is invaded by another. These lines are written by Nadine Gordimer. We find this in Burger's Daughter. ठीक है, तो make sure you already मैंने आपको बताया है Nadine Gordimer very important. ठीक है, from Slate point of view. So make sure you इसका story line आप पढ़ लो. Burger's Daughter, फिर July's People. ठीक है, make sure you study this story lines of this novel. फिर another very important, The Femicide Road. Who wrote The Femicide Road? अभी आपको बहुत बताना है. ठीक है, I will not be telling. The Femicide Road किसने लिखा था? ठीक है, and the characters also. Here we have a character Azaro and Abiku. This is story of Azaro. Number 8, it's not such important. Number 9 we have American female novelist P.L.S. Brooke won Nobel Prize in 1938. Make sure you remember this name, P.L.S. Brooke, Nobel Prize 1938. ठीक है, फिर who is the author of the book Ivanhoe? We all know Ivanhoe was Sir Walter Scott. ठीक है. Number 11, in Biographia Literaria, S.T. Coleridge, Samuel Taylor Coleridge defines the imagination as the faculty by which the soul perceives the spirituality unity of the universe. ये होगा. ठीक है, spiritual unity. S.T. Coleridge का. फिर we have Which of William Makepeace Thackeray's novels closing lines are these? Which of us is happy in this world? Which of us has his desire or having it is satisfied? Very important lines from William Makepeace Thackeray's novel Vanity Fair. Make sure you read this story. ठीक है, this story of ये novel का story of पढ़ लो एग्जाम से पहले. Vanity Fair. ठीक है. Which of the following is not by Jacques Derrida? अभी Jacques Derrida का works we all know of grammatically written by Jacques Derrida. फिर the work of Morning of Spirit, Heidegger and Questions. Make sure you remember these names. So the Transcendence of the Ego written by Jean-Paul Sartre. The Transcendence of the Ego, Jean-Paul Sartre. Remember this name, mug it up. ठीक है, by heart करो इसको. Number 14. Which of the following statement is not true of Areopagitica? ठीक है, it argues for the liberty of unlicensed printing. True. It was published in 1644. It is a speech addressed to the Parliament of England. True. It pleads for British privilege regarding free trade. ये false है. ठीक है, नंबर D, Areopagitica. ठीक है, इसको आप पर थोड़ा कब पब्लिश हुआ था, क्या क्या है इसके बारे में थोड़ा बहुत आप जान लो. ये ब्रिटिश हिस्ट्री में से. ठीक है, फिर नंबर 15, All Rising to Great Place is by Winding. इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है, फ्रांसिस बेकन का. ठीक है. The humanities and the science were in fact two cultures was suggested by C.P. Snow. Number 17 we have Which of William Makepeace Thackeray's closing lines are these? What? Which of us in the happy world? Which of okay, कौन सा वाला है? ये सेम है. ठीक है, फिर 12, 13, 14, 15 ये दो बार मतलब क्लिक किया हुआ है. ठीक है, 16 तक ये सेम ही है. फिर नंबर 17 we have From among the Canterbury Tales, which group would qualify as the upper class? ओके, अपर क्लास Canterbury Tales के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत आप पढ़ लो. ठीक है, स्टोरी लाइन. मेक श्योर कब पब्लिश हुआ था. ठीक है, हाउ मेनी पिलग्रिम्स था, वो सर थॉमस बेकेट के वहाँ पे जा रहे थे, श्राइन में जा रहे थे. ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत आप जान लो. वहाँ पे से क्या है, द किंग, द स्क्वायर, द प्राइस क्वालिफाई फॉर द अपर क्लास. Number 18, where Sir Thomas Wade adapted Petrarch and Petrarcanism to English sounds and meters. Suresh Burst tends to look back beyond Petrarch to the Latin verse. ठीक है. Number 19. Religious controversies in England, particularly during the 15th century, led to the promotion of English. Project important name. फिर another we have, which of the following works does not have a mad woman as a character in it? It is the mad woman in Attic. ठीक है, किसने लिखा था ये याद कर लो, note it down. सब मैं नहीं बताऊंगा आपको, आप note down करो. ठीक है. फिर the White Sargassy, the Jane Eyre, very important. The White Sargassy, Jane Eyre, ये पढ़ लो आप. Number, which among the following is not characteristic feature of language? Language is instinctive force. Language is learned. ठीक है, instinctive नहीं है. Who formulated the term pragmatic marxism? Charles Sanders Peirce. ठीक है, ये सब को ना अभी एक बार रिवीजन कर लो. ठीक है, रिवीजन कर लो, हो जाएगा. फिर another one we have Thomas Kuhn, the Copernican revolution. इतना important नहीं है. फिर we have the term method is ये भी important. Pedagogy. फिर we have identify the sentence, ये भी नहीं है, आपको important वाला तो बता रहा हूँ मैं. ठीक है. What is literary device used in his ambitions knows no bounds, emphasizing limitless ambition. ये क्या है इसके बारे? This is a hyperbole. ठीक है. फिर another we have, फिर what do we have here? Okay, when did the English East India Company establish trading post in India? It is early 17th century. ये पेपर 1 में आ सकता है. ठीक है, इसलिए आप पढ़ के जाओ. early 17th century में इंग्लिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी का ट्रेडिंग पोस्ट स्टैब्लिश किया गया था. Another one we have, what was the primary language of administration, education and law during the colonial period in India? It was English. ठीक है. फिर another important one ही हम लोग पढ़ रहे. ठीक है. When did the Constituent Assembly of India begin its work on the Indian Constitution? It was 1946. पेपर 1 क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, sometimes दूसरा आपका एग्जाम्स में भी आ सकता है. ठीक है. फिर we have, what was the goal of the Official Language Act of 1963? क्या था गोल? तो promote the use of English as the official language of India. ठीक है, ये वाला है D. फिर we have, which British administrator passed a resolution for the promotion of European literature and science among natives of India? It was Lord Bentinck. ये भी पेपर 1 या आप जो भी एग्जाम्स अभी बैठेंगे आप APSC वगैरह जो भी उसमें आओगे ना क्वेश्चन से जनरल नॉलेज है ना उसमें आ सकता है. फिर another we have, who are the co-editors of Chutnifying English, the phenomenon of English? It's Yamuna Kachru. ठीक है. Another one only important as we are studying. According to Gayatri Chakraborty Spivak, a subaltern is, well, what is subaltern? इसको थोड़ा पढ़ लो. ठीक है. What is subaltern? Gayatri Chakraborty Spivak का subaltern क्या है? ठीक है. फिर we have Chinua Achebe attacks for his racism in Heart of Darkness. ये Heart of Darkness लेके जोसेफ कॉनराड का. ठीक है, जोसेफ कॉनराड का Heart of Darkness में चिनुआ एचेबी ने मतलब attacks for racism. Which of the following is a book written by Roland Barthes? Mythology. Roland Barthes का book Mythologies. Who coined the phrase the two nations? किसने coin किया था? The two nations is between the disparity in Britain between rich and poor is Benjamin Disraeli. ठीक है. What was the book that put Judith Butler on the map in 1990? It is Gender Trouble. Gender Trouble 1990 by Judith Butler. Here another we have. What was Gramsci's term for cultural conscious supporting capitalism? Hegemony. वह hegemony आएगा तो इस Antonio Gramsci याद करना. ठीक है. What is archetype? An ideal or model after which others are patterned. Okay, Stuart Hall was inspired in a text written by Antonio Gramsci. Which was the text? It was the Prison Diaries. ठीक है. Who wrote the book exploring the concept of culture from 1780 to 1950? It was Raymond Williamson, Culture and Society. Who said that perfection is not possible and small faults in a good piece will be tolerated? It is Aristotle. ठीक है. It is not rhyming and versing that make a poet no more than a long ground marked in advocate. Who said this? It is by Philip Sidney. The end of writing is to instruct, the end of poetry is to instruct by pleasing. Who said? It is by S.T. Coleridge. Very important line. ठीक है. S.T. Coleridge का. Okay. Who called Sally a beautiful and effectual angel beating in the void his luminous wings in a vain? It is Matthew Arnold. F.R. Leavis' Revolution provides us with his critical opinions on post-Shakespearean poetry. ठीक है, very important one we have is who laid emphasis on the inner life and inner experience in the sublime and the beautiful. It is Edmund Burke. Seven Types of Ambiguity 1930 by William Emerson, in which Virginia Woolf's Room of One's Own published 1929. ठीक है, make sure you read Virginia Woolf's other works also. ठीक है, उसको आप chronology में पढ़ो. तो 1929 वाला A Room of One's Own. Here we have who among the following Greek philosophers has a bearing on the composition of P.B. Shelley's Adonius? It's Plato. Structuralism was popularized by किसने किया था? Ferdinand de Saussure's course in general linguistics. New historicism was coined by, अगर new historicism आएगा true उसमें match the following, then make sure you write Stephen Greenblatt. New historicism Stephen Greenblatt. Alice Walker term womanism highlights the voice of African American women. ठीक है, thus emphasize the language concealed, revealed or modified hidden desires, anxieties and fears. It is Sigmund Freud. It is Freud. Number 66. Norman Holland in Dash proposed the readers use literary text to fulfill fandom, the dynamics of literary response. So याद करना, the dynamic of literary response 1968 written by Norman Holland. ठीक है, name याद करना. Here we have Raymond Williams and Dash have synonymous with leftist writings. It is Terry Eagleton. It is Terry Eagleton. Edward Said's Orientalism was published in 1978. उसके बाद आता है Who wrote Life Against Death? It is Norman Brown. Which of the following research paradigms focus on exploring the subjective experience of individuals and emphasize context and meaning? It is phenomenology. ठीक है, फिर in mixed method research design, which of the following represents the correct sequence of research phase? It is qualitative phase, quantitative phase, data collection and data analysis. उसके बाद है a researcher is interested in studying a small specific group in depth to gain a rich understanding of their experience. Which research approach is most appropriate? This case study. ठीक है, फिर we have next we have which research design 78. Which research design involves collecting data from the same participants at multiple time points of study changes over time? It is longitudinal. ठीक है, फिर we have only important one we are discussing. Which among the following is the best of the morality plays? The Everyman. Okay, this one. Age cannot wither her, nor customs tell her infinite variety. These lines about Cleopatra were uttered by author by किसने बोला था ये? Enobarbus. ठीक है, Enobarbus. Age cannot wither her, nor customs tell her infinite variety. ठीक है, Cleopatra. Which blank verse play among the following considers Dryden's masterpiece? Dryden's masterpiece or Aurangzeb. The Cenci is considered to be dramatic masterpiece of Cenci किसने लिखा था? It was written by P.B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley. Which of the following plays of George Bernard G.B. Shaw's witty and highly entertaining study of class distinction is Arms and the Man? Arms and the Man. Make sure you read this story. ठीक है, प्ले का स्टोरी आप मतलब थोड़ा याद कर लो. Another we have the greatest exponent in English of expressionist drama is Eugene O'Neill. Eugene O'Neill है. फिर we have King Oedipus rescues Thebes from the curse of the Sphinx. The Sphinx से निकालता है. ठीक है, उसके बाद who is the recipient of the Jnanpith Award? The highest literary honor conferred on the Indian is Girish Karnad. ठीक है, गिरीश कर्नाड, महेश दत्तानी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. विजय तेंदुलकर, आसिफ कुरैशी, इसके बारे में एक क्वेश्चन समझ आता है हर साल एनी स्लेट में. ठीक है, तो महेश दत्तानी का वर्क, गिरीश कर्नाड का वर्क आप याद कर लेना. हु एस्टैब्लिश्ड द ब्लैक आर्ट्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव थिएटर इन हार्लेम? इन दिस इमाम अमीरी बराका. ठीक है, अमीरी बराका. फिर we have one of the following is considered Geoffrey Chaucer's magnum opus. Which one? The magnum opus कौन सा वाला है? The Book of Duchess. Shakespeare sonnets from 1 to 126 seem to be addressed to his lady love. ठीक है, उसके बाद Spencer's epic The Fairy Queen honors Queen Elizabeth फर्स्ट एड्रेस बाय हिम एज ग्लोरियाना, ठीक है। तो फेरी क्वीन में हम लोग क्वीन एलिजाबेथ को ग्लोरियाना से रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है, ठीक है। तो इसमें 6 बुक्स है ना, तो इसका आप फर्स्ट बुक, सेकंड बुक, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत वहाँ पे नेम्स जो उसको आप जान लो, ठीक है। और फेरी क्वींस कब को पब्लिश हुआ था, उसको फर्स्ट 3 बुक्स, उसके बाद 6 बुक कब पब्लिश हुआ था, ठीक है। उसके बाद सटायर इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ पोएट्री ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पोएट, he is John Dryden. Next we have Elegy Written Country Church is one of the best lyric poem written by Thomas Gray. मैंने बताया था ना, ये आपका आंध्र प्रदेश सेट में भी आया था, केरला सेट में भी, ठीक है। थॉमस ग्रे वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट राइटर। द एलिजी रिटन कंट्री चर्च हियर, ये पोइट, ये पोएम, सॉरी नॉट पोइट, इज पोएम। उसके बाद सैमुअल टेलर कोलरिज क्या है, द राइम ऑफ द एंशिएंट मैरिनर। उसके बाद विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ द प्रेल्यूड। पीवी शेली का क्या है, ओड टू द वेस्ट विंड। जॉन किट्स का क्या है, ओड टू ए नाइटिंगेल। Identify the poet as a pre-Raphaelite movement. Pre-Raphaelite movement का very famous was D.G. Rossetti, Dante Gabriel Rossetti. The only American poet to receive 4 Pulitzer Prize for his poetry was Ezra Pound, को 4 बार मिला था, ठीक है, 4 times Pulitzer Prize. The Indian poet who used the rich Indian heritage of myth and folk lore and converted popular stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata and the Purans into English was Rabindranath Tagore, ठीक है। ये क्वेश्चन है आपका, रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर को कब मिला था नोबेल प्राइज, आप कमेंट सेक्शन में मेरे को बताओ, ठीक है। नेम द फर्स्ट ऑटोबायोग्राफी दैट ब्रॉट फेम टू माया एंजेलो, इट इज के.एस. गिलबर्ट, ठीक है। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है। तो मेक श्योर आप अब इसको भी अब मैंने कर दिया आपको, ये केरला सेट का है, तो यहाँ से जितना भी इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज है मैंने आपको बता दिया है, ठीक है। तो मेक श्योर आप एमसीक्यूज को फॉलो करो, जहाँ पे भी आपको एमसीक्यूज मिले आप मतलब सॉल्व करते जाओ। और ऐसा होना चाहिए कि वो आपका एग्जाम से रिलेटेड होना चाहिए, ठीक है। अभी आप नेट के लिए प्रिपेयर नहीं कर रहे हो, अभी यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर स्लेट, ठीक है। सो नेट और स्लेट में बहुत अंतर होता है, ठीक है। नेट में क्वेश्चंस बहुत डीप मतलब पूछा जाता है, लेकिन स्लेट में क्या है आपको इतना डीप से नहीं पूछते, जो मतलब ओनली द समटाइम्स द नेम्स, ऑथर्स, ओके, फ्रॉम विच कंट्री डू दे बिलोंग। उसके बाद ब्रिटिश हिस्ट्री में से भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, ठीक है। ब्रिटिश हिस्ट्री में से आपको डेट्स याद करना होगा, और इधर अफ्रो अमेरिकन, अफ्रीकन वगैरह का, कोलम्बियन, ऐसा अमेरिकन में आपको डेट्स का कोई मतलब नहीं है आपको, ओनली द नेम्स, द कैरेक्टर फ्रॉम द नॉवल एंड द राइटर, ठीक है। तो मेक श्योर आप पढ़ते रहो। और अगर कोई भी डाउट हो तो आप मुझे जस्ट पिंग मी अप, ठीक है। आई एम रेडी टू हेल्प यू ऑल। सो थैंक यू।